bag makers, welcome back to my channel. My name's Melissa and I'm with Sew Yours. Today is just a quick video to show you how to use our strap anchor templates, which you can purchase on our website at sewyours.com. And basically what these strap anchor templates do is create these guys right here. So stick around and I'll show you how to go ahead and sew up your own strap anchor. Our strap anchors are available in a large set of 5, a small set of 5, or you can purchase the entire set of 10 for a 10% discount. I've gone ahead and made one of each of these so that way you can go ahead and see what they look like fully constructed. We currently have the strap anchor templates available in turquoise glitter and pink glitter. Each set is going to include a ball chain like I have right here so you can store them all together, but you could also store them on a binder clip as well. Let's go ahead and jump on into the tutorial to show you how to make your own strap anchors. So to begin, you're going to need a pair of sharp scissors, a removable marking pen. I've got my air erasing sew line pen, some double-sided tape. You're going to need one of your strap anchor templates, your bag fabric, which this is representing my bag panel since I'm just doing a demonstration. I've just got a small piece right here. You'll need a piece of fabric to trace and cut out your strap anchor. And then for every single strap anchor that you are making, you're going to need a rectangle ring. And then this is optional, but you could add 1 to 2 rivets per strap anchor here. So you'll need some rivets. So let's go ahead and begin. The first thing that you're going to want to do is place your strap anchor template on top of your fabric. I like to go ahead and have the wrong side of the fabric facing up. And then simply go ahead and trace around the template like I've done already right here. The next thing that you want to do is you're going to take your scissors and go in and cut out the template. Okay, so here is my strap anchor, and what this one is going to look like is just like this. You're going to fold it over, and you don't want it to be nice. You don't want it to be tight like this to it. You want to have a little bit of extra give here at the top. So you're going to go ahead and fold it over, and that's what my strap anchor is going to look like on my bag. But before we go ahead and move on, a couple of tips here that I have for you. I would cut a piece of Decaville Light or any other stabilizer. I've got a little piece right here. I might actually go a little bit wider on this one, but you want to add a little bit of stabilizer here to strengthen up this vinyl fabric so that it's not stretching over time. So go ahead and iron on your or press on your stabilizer of choice right here. I'm not going to do that on this particular one, but you will add that. Once you've got that stabilizer on, you will add the D-ring, and I like to add the rectangle ring. I like to add it where the seam of the rectangle ring is on this portion right here. You're going to fold it over, take a look at it, and see how you like it. If everything looks good, then I just go ahead and add some double-sided tape here to secure it into place. All right, I've added my double-sided tape on the bottom side of this flap right here. I've also put an additional piece of double-sided tape along the back of the strap anchor, and this is going to allow me to keep it secured to my bag panel while I'm sewing it on. So if this is my bag panel, you're going to go ahead and place this however you need to on your bag. And now it's secured, so it'll allow you to go ahead and sew. And what I like to do when I am sewing these on is I like to start with my zipper foot attached to my machine. I sew along this straight edge right here as close as I can to my rectangle ring. And then depending on the strap anchor that I'm using, I generally like to go ahead and start sewing at the bottom center. And I sew around this side and meet up with the straight line that I stitched right here. And then I'll come back in and I will sew along this side. And you can go ahead and do back stitching if you'd like, or you can leave your thread tails long and pull them to the back and tie them off. That way you don't see any of your back stitching on your strap anchors. So that is something that you can do. The reason that you have to go this direction is that your zipper foot or the foot on your machine it gets in the way with the rectangle ring here, so that's why you have to go ahead and sew it like this. Once that is sewn on, then you can go ahead and add rivets if you'd like to your strap anchor. So this, I'm just showing you quickly what it might look like with some rivets. So you can add some rivets to the center of your strap anchor, and that is all you have to do to attach strap anchors to any handbag.